Hello everybody, just a quick one this is. I'm going live tomorrow, 7,000 subs. Thank you very much, every single one of you. Amazing. Yes, I'm going to go live. I'm going to cook something. We're not going out because it's going to be apparently pouring down with rain. So I'm going to cook something. It's going to be quite a long stream with what I've got to cook for the time it takes to cook. So just pop on and off when you can. There's our Natalie, look. I'm going to go live. It's going to be about 11:30 in the morning, so it's going to be a bit early. But say by the time we have a chat for half an hour before start. Oops, that's just not this camera. You bashed me camera with your walking sticks.
Oh, sorry.
With your crutches. Bush. Oh well, that's nice, isn't it? Yeah, so it's going to be about 11:30. I'm going to get everything today. Fingers crossed. And we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, thank you very much. 7,000 subs. So, anything to say about where's she gone? Can't see her now. There she is. Can't see her. Yeah, so off to get some stuff. That time of day again. Every time in town. Isn't it, Bab? Yep, every time. Every time. And we're home. Been home about, I don't know, about half hour, 45 minutes. I'm just preparing some stuff for my takeaway Wednesday. Obviously I can't do it tomorrow because I'm doing a live. I'm not doing a takeaway on the live. Tuesday I've got the bloke coming out for the washing machine, so I'm not going to be able to do a video. So I'm going to show you a sneak peek what I'm going to do. Just a sneak peek. Let me show you a sneak peek. That's all, just a sneak one. Yeah, that's going to go up Wednesday. So I live stream tomorrow. Tuesday I got the man coming out for the washing machine, so I can't do a video. So that's going to go up for Wednesday. We're going to have it for tea. So 7,000 subs. Thank you so much, every single one of you. And if you can make it tomorrow, say it's going to be probably a 4-hour stream or something like that. By the time I'm doing what I do. Yes, just pop in and out whenever you can. Be about 11, half 11, something like that. So, till tomorrow. Bye-bye.